Phishing is one of the easiest and most popular methods of attack used by cybercriminals today, and these attacks are only becoming more sophisticated. Phishing is the leading source of ransomware, wire transfer fraud, and targeted attacks. Malicious actors send fraudulent communications that appear to come from a legitimate, trusted source, hoping the victim falls for it. Attackers attempt to trick the victims into believing the message contains something they want or need that requires immediate action. The goal of phishing is to get the victim to download the attachment or click the link to steal their sensitive data like credit cards and login information. It's also often used to install malware on the victim's device. There are many ways cybercriminals carry out phishing attacks. Some of the most common methods are email phishing, phishing via phone calls, social media messaging, smishing by SMS text messages, and malvertising through malicious apps. So, how can you detect and prevent these phishing attacks? First off, don't click that link. At most, hover over the link to see if it's sending you to the correct address. You can also get free anti-phishing add-ons to help you detect this attack. Don't give your information to an unsecured site. If the URL doesn't start with HTTPS or you can't see a closed padlock icon, don't trust it. Make sure to rotate your passwords regularly and enable multi-factor authentication everywhere you can. Lastly, don't ignore those updates. They keep you up to date with modern cyber attack methods by patching holes in security. If you don't update, you're still at risk of phishing attacks through known vulnerabilities. As your technical ninjas, it's our job to educate you on today's cyber threats, enhance your cybersecurity, and empower your IT so you can stay up, stay running, and stay protected.